how to cancel or get rid of Minecraft Realms subscription. I'm going to show you how you can easily cancel or get rid of your Minecraft Realms subscription. When you cancel your Minecraft Realms subscription, you can still access your realm until the renewal date, but payments will no longer be automatically taken out of your account. Here is how to stop either your Bedrock or Java Realms subscription. Minecraft Bedrock Edition subscriptions are managed through the stores on the platform where you first activated your subscription. First, open Minecraft on the device you bought your Realms subscription. Now click Settings. On the left, scroll down and select Subscriptions. Next, click the Cancel button under your Realms subscription to open the store you used to start your subscription. Then follow the on-screen instructions to turn off recurring billing or cancel any future payments. To cancel a Minecraft Java Edition Realms subscription, sign in to your Microsoft account first. Next, select Services and Subscriptions. Now, find your Realms subscription and select Manage. Then, select either Turn off recurring billing or Cancel subscription. After that, follow the on-screen instructions to accept the changes.